What is Pakar? Pakar is the promise you make to pay to Paramji alias His Holiness in the 10th and 11th line of Papr. Nothing in the world comes for free. In order to get something, one has to pay something in return, either in the form of money or in the form of time and effort. P3Y, which is the power of Paramji alias His Holiness, also follows the same law. Pakar can be discharged in P3Y in two forms. One, by promising to pay money, and two, by promising to teach P3Y to other persons. If you wish to get cheap quality things and the result is not critical to you, then you pay less or you put less time and effort. But if you want good quality things and the result is critical for you, or you want to get good results, then either you have to pay more or you have to put more time and effort. Luckily, in P3Y, you can decide that on your own based on the level, value, and importance of the desire you wish to fulfill through Papr. You can start with promising to pay 1 unit of whatever currency you earn and teaching P3Y to one new person. P3Y power is available on credit for you. There is no advance payment, joining fee, down payment, or any other kind of fee in P3Y. The Pakar promise only needs to be paid or discharged upon the fulfillment of your desire through P3Y. So cheating is not possible in P3Y. P3Y is supreme science. Your personal experience becomes your own guide in this technique. It takes from 3 seconds to 3 years, depending upon the nature and urgency of your desire and the amount and time you have promised to pay to Paramji alias His Holiness in order to fulfill your desire. As soon as you speak the 11 lines of Papr, the P3Y power starts working to fulfill your desire. You start to receive positive signals and your mind starts to be at peace. Then you know that your desire is going to be fulfilled soon. If after doing Papr, your mind is still not at ease, not calm, and you are feeling depressed or panicky, this means that the amount of Pakar you have promised is not appropriate for your desire and you need to revise your Papr. Speak the 9 lines of Papr again and either increase the amount of money in the 10th line of Papr or increase the number of persons to whom you will teach P3Y in the 11th line of Papr, or you can increase both the amount of money or the amount of number of persons simultaneously. Promise only what you can fulfill. Don't promise anything with which you are not comfortable or which you cannot fulfill later. You don't need to pay the Pakar money to any person. No one will come to you to get this money. You may utilize this amount for spreading the awareness about P3Y to maximum number of persons. And if you are not sure how best to utilize this amount, then you can ask any P3Y teacher for guidance. You cannot donate or give this money as a charity because this doesn't belong to you. It belongs to Paramji alias His Holiness, who fulfill your desires by the use of P3Y power. So this amount can only be utilized for the proliferation of P3Y in the best possible manner. You only need to teach P3Y to other persons if your desire is fulfilled. You can teach P3Y to any interested soul, or if you feel that someone is in need or someone is depressed, has tried everything but is still not getting success, or you feel free to teach P3Y to any of your loved ones, family members, friends, whomever you wish to see happy. The best way to teach P3Y is face to face. However, if that's not possible, then you can teach P3Y through various other means like internet based social media, cable TV, satellite channels, or through printed material, etc. If you think that you are not prepared for teaching P3Y effectively, you can contact any P3Y teacher nearby for proper guidance.